we'll guide you through how to customize the Trello UI to make it fit your workflow perfectly. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Trello on your desktop and log into your account. Once you're in, you can start by selecting the board you want to customize. On the top right of your board, click on the Show menu button to expand your options. Here, you'll find the Change Background option. Click on it to choose a new background that suits your style. You can pick from solid colors, photos, or even upload your own image. Next, let's talk about power-ups, which are great for adding extra functionality to your boards. Click on Power-ups in the menu. You can browse through various power-ups like calendar, card repeater, or custom fields. Enable the ones that will best enhance your workflow. If you want to add a personal touch, you can customize your board's labels. Go to a card, click on Labels, and then create a new label. You can choose colors and names that make sense for your projects. To keep things organized, you can also customize lists. Click on the three dots next to a list name, and you can move lists around or rename them to match your process. For even more control, head to Butler in the menu. This allows you to automate repetitive tasks, such as moving cards to different lists based on due dates. Finally, check out the card back settings by clicking on a card and then the gear icon. Here, you can tweak card details, like adding cover images, or custom fields for more detailed information. By taking these steps, you can make Trello work exactly how you need it to. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.